Mr. Silva, the doctor says you need surgery. It is important.
Yes, Mr. Silva. Without surgery, your condition can get worse.
I understand you are scared, but this is the best option.
We are here to help you. You are not alone.
Can you tell us why you don't want the surgery?
We want to listen. Your feelings are important to us.
Mr. Silva says he is afraid of the anesthesia. He saw something bad on the internet.
I understand, but our team is very experienced. You are safe here.
We can explain every step of the procedure. No surprises.
And you can ask questions anytime. We are here for you.
What do you think, Mr. Silva? Can we talk more about it?
Good. Let's sit down together and go through everything, step by step.
We will not rush you, but we want you to be well.
That is our only goal, to help you feel better.